Successfully starting a conversation with any new prospect requires paying particular attention to the first 5 seconds. These 5 first seconds are crucial and they will decide whether you will catch the attention of the person you are talking to for the next several seconds or whether you will be brushed off. Keep in mind that when you're making a cold call, your name and what you have to offer mean nothing, at least in the beginning. 2 basic things you need to focus on are your social proof and tonality. Your social proof determines whether or not you are worthy of attention. Face the truth, prospect doesn't care about you or your business. Therefore, you need to show that you know the rules of the game and start with a statement that makes the client feel obliged or interested to hear what you have to say. And be aware, it is unlikely to be your product or service. If you have a recommendation or mutual friends with your prospect, you will get initial attention. If you represent a well-recognized company that your prospect respects, you have his initial attention. If you truly know the client's problem, you know what he's struggling with, and in a few simple words, you will prove that you know what you are talking about, that you are a professional who successfully works with clients operating in the same industry with a similar business profile, and you have a proven solution, you have prospect initial attention. The second point is equally crucial and perhaps even fundamental. But before we go any further, let me introduce yourself. My name is Pavel. I've been in sales for over 15 years. I built a network of contact and sales from scratch several times in my career in European market for companies operating in the industrial sector. If you are looking for relevant information and advice, please subscribe and let's continue. The second point, more important than what you say is how you say it. From the very first seconds, you must recognize client's mood and mirror an energy you feel in the voice of the person you are talking to. As soon as you hear the first words, your energy, intonation, tone of voice and pace of speaking must be in harmony with what you hear. You should be enthusiastic, but the point is that you should hit 1 pitch higher than the person you are talking to. 1 too low or 1 too high, and you fail to build a good rapport. If you find the right intonation, but you fail to hold it until you break the first line of resistance, the rapport will be broken and chances of being rejected will increase dramatically. Evolutionarily and psychologically, we are all designed to follow people who exhibit certain character traits. People follow leaders who are confident and at the same time are similar to themselves. That is our human nature. Finally, a little tip. Use the prospect first name during a conversation. One of our most favorite words we love to hear is our name. This gets our attention. In conclusion, listen carefully to what your prospect says and copy his tonality while being 1 pitch higher. If these 2 points are met, you will surely be able to maintain client's attention and move smoothly to the next point. I mean, making an appointment, presentation, or you can try to close a sale. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.